Hey guys, Rev here, and it's been a while, but we're finally going to get another long-form content video. So today I'm going to be opening up some of my product from my Japanese card show. I'm opening up an OP13 booster box. This has the same 24 packs that a normal English booster box would have, except each pack only has 6 cards instead of 12. So, I do not keep any of this for my personal collection. All of this gets put onto my stores. I already link all my website in all my videos, but I do sell on Mercari as well. I'll go ahead and put that shop link in the description as well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now the cards are in Japanese, so I don't know all the names. I can't read it. Oh, very nice boa. And the prices that I'm getting are all off of the collector app. There's other websites and stuff I could use for the pricing, but for the sake of the video and being quick, it's still pretty close to accurate, so I just go ahead and go by that. Blackbeard. Sanchi card. It's nice. Kobe, Jinbei, Ex Leader of the 5 Elders. One of the Amazonian sisters. No, Jesus, what is that? It looks like this card was cut really badly. That doesn't look good. So luckily it wasn't a hit. And that's actually pretty rare. I almost never see damaged cards in Japanese. It seems like the quality of the cards is better than English, but maybe it was just a bad attack. It was a 5 Elders event card. It looked like that one was kind of chipped in the same area as the other one. Another Kobe.
Nice.
Oh, that's actually a really nice card. So these are interesting because there's there's 2 variations of this card. There's the regular alt like this. All of these cards are drawn by the person that draws Jujutsu Kaisen. And then there's also a rarer version that has like red lettering, and the number is on the top left has like a little circle around it that has like red print on it as well, and it's got like hockey kind of jumping off the transformation there, and just a little bit more art on it, so those are really nice. Hiyori. Now, a lot of the common cards on the collector app are also listed as being as like $2 something cards, but I think that's just because they're probably useful for decks, and I expect those to drop once the next set comes out. Elephant Gun and Newgate. I was actually quite surprised that I couldn't find a price for this one. That's a really nice card. I like that one. I'm definitely looking forward to this coming out in English though. Oh, speaking of emu, there's the emo leader card. Yeah, I'm definitely trying to save up so I can get a a good amount of OP13 in English for my personal collection because I really want those red mangas. I mean, I know it's going to be almost impossible to pull them, but okay. What do you guys think? Are you all looking forward to the OP13 release, or are most of you looking forward to the EVO3 set release that they just announced not too long ago with the heroines? I know the heroine cards tend to be very sought after, especially the Namis, but I can't see it being more popular than the OP13 for collectors. Oh, buggy. Maybe that's just my opinion though. Celestial Dragon. It's from the Uta movie. I don't remember his name. Ors Jr. Guy's a legend if you've seen.
Nice.
Oh, very nice. The SR of the three brothers drinking their sake. It's a nice card. I like that. We're a little bit over halfway. Blackbeard. Another Luffy event. And Zoro card. I actually like the art on this one. I was actually kind of surprised that it didn't have a cost. Or, oh well. Bonnie. It's a cute card. Oh, okay. Sabo Leader. I actually like this. I think that's actually doing pretty well in tournaments and stuff as well right now. Frankie. I think I mentioned this earlier, but several of these common cards were actually listed as being, you know, $2 something cards as well, but I just didn't want to overdo it with text and, you know. Another Amazonian sister, another Frankie, another Celestial Dragon. Another Elder. The Dawn. Wapple. That's actually my first Roger Dawn too, I think. I don't think I had pulled any Roger Dons yet. Stussy. Also, I try not to talk too much about the anime because I know some of you may not be completely caught up or anything, so I don't want to spoil anything for anyone. But let me know in the comments, like, if you all are okay with me talking about the anime, because I really don't want to ruin it for anybody. Oh, very nice. SR Shanks. I'll definitely take that. Chopper. Red-green Luffy Leader. I haven't heard too many things about the red-green Luffy. Has anybody heard anything? I don't think it's doing all that well right now though. Last Pack Magic. Bonnie SR. I actually think the artwork on that is actually pretty cool. I'm sure some people probably like it more than others, but the little swirl and stuff on there was nice. So again, yeah, this is a very nice card. There's actually one for each of the elders. But let me know what you guys think. Do you want more of this kind of content? Like I said, I do want to do more long form content. It's just, you know, it has to be on the weekend when I have time to do it, and I gotta find products. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks a lot for coming along on the ride today, and we'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.